So let's now see how we can programmatically navigate in React Router. Here we have one button. So on click of that button, we wanted to navigate to the about page. So for this, we have to use the use navigate hook. So first of all, we have to import use navigate hook, and then we're gonna use the use navigate hook, and this will return us the navigate function. Now on click of that button, we can use the navigate function, and here we can navigate to any URL. So for now, we're gonna navigate to the about page. So here you can see currently we are on the home page. So here you have the button. If we click on that, you can see we are currently navigated to the about page. So this way we can programmatically write any kind of logic and we can navigate to any page. So here we can navigate to the home page also. So go to home. So currently we are on the about page. So if we click on go to home, so you can see we are navigated back to the home page. And also while navigating, we can pass one object as the second parameter. So here we can pass the state. Now in the navigation function, if we pass 1 as the argument, then we can move forward in the history. So we can navigate forward. Now if we pass -1, then we can navigate backward. So we can go back to the previous page in the history. So this can work equivalent to the browser's forward and the backward button. So this is the way we can programmatically navigate in React Router. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.